So welcome to my COMP3005 Assignment 3 demo video. So initially, to start this assignment, we had to create our database and then populate it with the actual data. And so we should have put this into PG4 admin to create the table, and then these to insert the students and their corresponding information. So I'm going to put this query, oh, it's already there, perfect, into PG4 admin. I'm going to select it to execute query, and there we go. So now our database is populated with these three students and their corresponding info. So the next thing I did was take the professor's example essentially and then implement my functions. And so I have all the functions he requires, like get all students, modify email, adding a new student, and deleting student. And I did that through Java, and I call all of the functions in my main. That way I can just go through it all one by one. And then I call get all students after each one just to visualize the change. So initially I'm just going to show an example, just calling get all students. And then after that, I'll go through each function one by one. So here, if we run this, we should just get the list of the three students in our database right now. Okay, so yeah, as expected, we have John Doe, Jane Smith, Jim Beam. And so the other functions now are going to modify this information. So here, we're just going to add Alice Johnson. Here, we're going to update the student email. So let's see, John Doe is 25. That's his ID. So I'm going to modify that to 25. And then let's say we want to end up deleting John Doe after we've modified his email. So we're going to change that to 25 as well to match the student ID. And so if I run through this now, I should expect to see all of these methods applied to the data, and then get all students is called after each one, so I should see the modified data after each call. Okay, perfect. So initially, again, we just see our first function call get all students, so it returns the data in our database with no changes. Second, we're adding a new student, which is Alice Johnson, and she's then appended here at the bottom, student ID 28. Then we're updating email. So at the top right here, we can see that john.doe at example is his previous email, but since we're updating it now, it becomes john.updated at example.com. And then our final mention or final method that we call is to delete student. And as we did above, we called it on student ID 25. So we should see John Doe now gone and just three students remaining. And there we go. So that is my COMP3005 assignment.